And finally, we're down to our last three powers here out of all of the system of federalism. These are three that are reserved just for the state governments. Number 5 mentions regulating commerce within the states, or what we would call intra-state, inside your own state. So Pennsylvania can oversee trade and business that takes place within Pennsylvania specifically. So that's a state power. States have the power to ratify constitutional amendments. We're going to look later at what the process entails to actually have a permanent change added to the Constitution, but ultimately they get ratified at the state level. That's where we say yes to brand new changes that get attached to the Constitution. And finally, what you have are the reserved powers or the assumed powers. The Constitution basically states that any power that's not granted specifically to the United States nor prohibited to the states is assumed or reserved at the state level. So if the Constitution does not give this power to the United States government alone, nor does it say that the states aren't allowed to do this, then there's like a default setting that says then it goes to the states. Okay, so if it's not a power given specifically to the U.S. government, and it's not a power that the Constitution says the states can't do, then by default it is a state power. It goes to the state automatically. So those are your last three state powers. And we've looked at a pretty lengthy list of all of the different powers, both federal, shared, and state level.